What's up guys, have to change save via unit task, subscribe to my channel and let's get started. An example of a game where you need to store a large amount of data in a binary file in order to know what we have already collected.
Listen some more and you'll cease to regret. I keep on working, I got it on track. You gonna see my name up on the flag. I sail the ship and I'll never come back. I keep this bitch on the line to attack. Never look back. I make a record like Crash. Top of my bracket I smash. Hot like a pack. I'm about to stack it like cash. It's gonna happen so fast. I've never changed myself. I've always.
So we restarted the level and we see that everything we have collected is no longer on the map and everything loads quickly.
Don't call it a comeback.
Improving data saving and loading with unit task.
I ain't running here to stay. Steady gunning, do my thing. I don't look the other way. I stare that motherfucker straight.
We wrap the loading and saving of binary files in unit task so that it is loaded in a different thread and does not freeze in your game.
Man, I feel blessed, bulletproof vest, over my chest for that haters request. I'll be okay, I pick my lane, I'ma stick to it like horse of the fame. This is the
Unit task can be added through the package manager and then added to your project, or go to the website and do as either is right according to the instruction.
and I am here to stay right now, so don't call it a comeback.
Thank you for watching. Write in the comments what else you want to see.